Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a stop loss on Webull. We'll cover what a stop loss order is, why it's important for managing risk, and the different types available on the platform. Then, I'll walk you through the simple, step-by-step process to place one on Webull, ensuring you can protect your investments effectively and confidently. A stop loss order is a vital tool for managing risk in your investments. Essentially, it's an instruction to sell a security once its price falls to a predetermined level. This helps to limit your potential losses on a position. When the market price hits your specified stop price, the order automatically triggers, converting into a market order to sell your shares. Webull offers a few types of stop-loss orders to suit various trading strategies. The standard stop-loss triggers a market order at your set price. A stop-limit order, however, converts to a limit order once triggered, giving you more control over the execution price. For dynamic protection, a trailing stop-loss automatically adjusts as the stock price moves in your favor, helping to lock in gains. Setting a stop-loss on Webull is straightforward. First, go to your open positions and select the one you wish to protect. Then, choose the close position option. From the order types, select stop loss. You'll then enter your desired stop price and the number of shares you want to cover. Always double-check all the details before confirming and submitting your order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.